Integer overflow in Python 3. I'm new to Python. I was reading this page where I saw a weird statement. X equals to a number greater than it. I sense a disturbance in the force. I know that in Python 3, integers don't have fixed byte length. Thus, there's no integer overflow, like how sysint works. But of course the memory can't store infinite data. I think that's why the result of n plus 1 can be the same as n. Python can't allocate more memory to perform the summation, so it is skipped, and n equals n is true. Is that correct? If so, this could lead to incorrect result of the program. Why don't Python raise an error when operations are not possible, just like C++, std::bad_alloc? Even if n is not too large and the check evaluates to false, result, due to the multiplication, would need much more bytes. Could result asterisk equals factor fail for the same reason? I found it in the official Python documentation. Is it really the correct way to check big integers / possible integer overflow?
Integers don't work that way in Python, but float does. That is also why the comment says 1 times 10 to the power of 300, which is a float in scientific notation.
Python 3 only floats have a hard limit in Python. Integers are implemented as long integer objects of arbitrary size in Python 3 and do not normally overflow. You can test that behavior with the following code. You may also want to take a look at sys.float_info and sys.maxsize. Python 2. In Python 2, integers are automatically casted to long integers if too large, as described in the documentation for numeric types. Could result asterisk equals factor fail for the same reason? Why not try it? Python has a special float value for infinity and negative infinity too, as described in the docs for float.
I had a problem with integer overflows in Python 3, but when I inspected the types, I understood the reason. Some pandas and number py functions, such as sum on arrays or series, return an np.int64, so this might be the reason you are seeing int overflows in Python 3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.